vanilla gift card balance. So if you want to find or check the balance that you have left on vanilla gift card, now it is very simple. You just go to their official website, which is vanillagift.com. So this is the official website of Vanilla Gift Cards. Once you come to this website, on the top of the menu, you'll find many options. One of those is the option called check balance. So all you have to do is just click on this check balance button. Now here all you have to do is to simply enter your card number. So once you go ahead and then basically enter your card number, enter the expiration date, the year, the CVV. You can also choose to show the card info like this and click the continue button right here. Once you click on continue, you should be able to see the balance and all the other necessary information based or related with this vanilla gift card. So I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.